Ngahiha cia kinduriri miena ya Njoro na Molo makiria muhaka-ini wa mutitu wa Mau ikoretwo igituthuka mahinda kwa mahinda, kuria mwaka-ini uyu ngahiha ici ciyumiritie makiria maita matano na gutiga andu makiria ma 10 makiurwo ni mioyo yao, angi makihonia nguraro cia migui na indo cia makirima mbeca ikimundio mwaki. Ngahiha ikoretwo cihiriirie makiria kuma thirikari yambika mihango ya kuhamurithia muingi kuma mutito-ini wa Mau, guku ingi ikirikana gututhurwo ni wici wa mahiu. Mageria mahau gabere ma thirikari ma kurihe thayu mwena uyu makionekana kwaga guciara matunda, une thutha wa ngahiha ici gututhuka weru kiumia-ini kimwe kihituku. Na umuthi minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Ndagitari Fred Matiang'I, murunawe wa migunda Farida Karunei, wa maria maturigicirie kiria Kotobiko, ondo mwena minista wa mahia Charles Keter, magiana gikaro mwena wa Naivasha na atongoria nduriri ikoretwo igiukanirira miene eno.
We had a very successful meeting in my view because one, they have had the opportunity to air their views on the challenges they have in that particular settlement.
Akiaria thutha wa gikaro gia kiheri na atongoria ya na honge cia ugitiri, Ndagitari Fred Matiang'I augite mari na ihinda ria mieri iri kurehe kihonia kia ngahiha ici ta uria mathitwo ni mutongoria wa bururi.
We have taken their views and agreed to begin a journey towards the settlement of the problem of East Mau.
Ni ngahiha kuringana na Matiang'I icungiriirio ni wagi wa uigiririki kuri honge imwe cia thirikari, riu kamiti ya mwanya igithugundo gutabarira mihango yothe ya thirikari kwa ihinda riu ria mieri iri.
Problems we are dealing with honestly have been brought about by some challenges in certain departments of government. You know, some work that was done in the past, a good number of people, even including public servants in various departments. I mean, my own interior, if I may start from there. You know, some people in my department in the provincial administration, as it was then called, and now Ngao. And then a number of civil servants, for example, in the survey department and so on, who made several mistakes and caused some challenges that we are now having to deal with.
Mihango ya wikiri wa mihaka gatagati ka migunda ya muingi na mutitu wa thirikari ikoretwo igithii na mbere, Matiang'I akiuga ni megukorwo magikinya matura-ini maya kunyabara uria mihango irathii na mbere mwena uyu.
Departure point is that we have agreed that we will try to accommodate everyone on that particular settlement, so that there is no one who is left out. Then now we'll work on the mechanics of allocating or settling everyone, while at the same time also addressing the special requirements that came as a result of the court order from the East African Court of Justice. We will obey the order.
Ni mucemanio ugathiriirio ni atongoria aria megwikinyitie giikaro-ini giki na aria mari na mwihoko kihonia gia gutura ni gikuonekana.
Furahi kwa rais kutuma waziri Matiang'I na wale mawaziri ambao wamekuja pamoja nao.
Ni giikaro gitanyitwo kurehe kihonia kia ngahiha iria ikoretwo ikiyumiria mwena wa Mau kwa makiria miaka 20 mihituku, na kwa ihinda ria mieri iri yukite riu nduriri iria cikaraga matura mari gitanywo kwamukira title deed cia migunda yao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma Naivasha, kaunti ya Nakuru. Ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.